Today I want to talk to you about being on social media. So if you're going to be a business, if you're going to have a business, you're going to be an entrepreneur, you do have to have a presence on social media. That doesn't mean you have to have a presence on every single social media. You can pick and choose the ones that you want to use. It's a good idea to have two, just in case something happens to one. But the best thing to do is to pick one and really work on it and get your presence established, and then add a second one and do the same with that. Some of the social media platforms that are really great to use would be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Then if you do other things, you may consider Twitter or Twitch. So just do a little research on which one you think is best for you. If you're doing things like digital content creation, then YouTube and TikTok are really fabulous. It's one of the greatest ways to build your business without having to spend any money. So all you have to do is put in the effort and you will see the reward.